just got here, getting ready to set up.
Scrape it down just a little bit. So we'll just get this mixing for a little bit, and then after this is.
See you when you come back or something.
So you want to do that after this is done mixing? Okay. After this is done mixing, we will prep the dates for the filling and to be wrapped. See you when we get back. And thank you for watching. Use it.
Start again.
This is the toughest part, Chef, so just take the time.
Are you ready?
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy these at home. Let's go rogue, and we'll see you on the next dish.